Hey guys, time for another gear review. Today, we're at this beautiful lake. September long, amazing weather. So we just ordered K2 two-person sit-on inflatable kayak. I'm gonna just see how easy it is. This comes with a pump. I brought an electric pump in our trailer, but I was gonna see what it's like setting this up, and we'll do a little floating on the lake today. So let's check this out, see how it works. Got her pumped up. All in all, not too bad. Didn't have to look at instructions. Paddles, oars, look good. This is kind of the setup here. I mean, the seats will do a little adjusting with in a minute when we get out there. But I mean, besides that, went together pretty decently. So next step, out there. I'm off. 2 full-size adults and a baby. Case's life jacket. Just got her riding up on them. We got our life jackets in the back, but floating good. How's the paddling feel?
I think we're cutting through. We're going real fast.
Slow down, the wind. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, all in all, this kayak, I mean, 20 minutes to set up with its own pump that works pretty good. We're in a nice calm lake. Who knows what it'd be like in a river or anything. I saw a few reviews saying maybe not river worthy. This is Casey's first time on the water though. And what do you think, Case? Hi, baby. Loving it.
Little life jacket.
Yeah.
Watch out for fishing.
No, we're gonna take her fishing tonight and then see if we can catch a real monster out here. All in all, good purchase for a inflatable kayak. Fairly cheap too. Pick this up on Amazon. We'll have a link. You can post the best price. You can go find her there, but worked out pretty good. Okay, quick update on kayak life. I'll show you kind of what we're working with here. This is light in this thing. Worked out good. Held us good. Held good air. Still a little wet this morning. Me trying to fit it back in that box. Not quite lining up, but I'm gonna get home, dry it out. But air seems to come out pretty easily too. All in all, pretty good weekend in this puppy.